Okay, it's time to get started on our job. This is the hood piston right here, and essentially it's what's going to hold up the hood. So what you want to pay attention to is as we start removing this, you're going to want to make sure you're holding the hood up at the same time so it doesn't potentially fall down and hurt you. With that said, let's start unlocking it using a small pocket screwdriver. I'm going to try to get underneath this metallic tab right here. Once I get it under there, I'll gently pry and lift this up and away. Grab that locking clip right out of there. We can set that aside. I'm going to leave this in here. We'll continue on to the bottom. Now at this point, I'm going to go ahead and hold the hood up for myself. Let's give this a little bonk, separate it. There it is, friends. Now it's time to get ready for the installation. You want to make sure you have the piston in this direction. Now what I want to do is I'm just going to take this little ball area, I'm going to put it into the socket. While it's lined up, I'll gently press. Make sure it's locked in. Do the same to the lower aspect. Listen for a click. Double check it, and now the process will be the same for the other side.